In this video, I'm going to be telling you all you need to know about LYCAMOBILE. This is the company that is new in the country and it is giving the cheapest data we have ever seen in this country. East Africa was found to be one of the regions that is hiking the data price, and Uganda is the leading company in giving the expensive internet access. But now with LYCAMOBILE, you can have one of the cheapest internet access in the country, and we are going to see how cheap the data is, and then watch the video up to the end, because I'm going to tell you how you can also make money with this company if you want, how you can invest and make money with the company if you want. So watch the video and see how cheap this data bundle is, and I will be telling you how you can buy the airtime and bundles of this network from your MTN or Airtel line. So let's look at how cheap this data is. Now I used to buy data for 1,000 a day, and if you buy data for 500, if you buy data for 500 shillings, that's 500 shillings, not so. Now when you buy data for 500 shillings, these companies are going to give you around 40 to 60 MBs. Let's take that you buy for 500 shillings and they give you 50 MBs, of which most of these companies are going to be giving you 40. So if you take 500 and they give you 50 MBs, and let's multiply this 500, you are going to be online maybe for 30 days because you want to take 1 month. So 1 month will be 500 shillings times 30. That is what? 500 shillings times 30, that is 15,000. You will multiply in your own free time 15,000 Ugandan shillings. So when you take this 15,000 Ugandan shillings, we multiply that these MBs you have got, these 50 MBs times 30. How many MBs did you buy at 15,000? So 30 days, not so? You are buying 15 MBs every day. 50 times 30. So you are buying how many MBs? Those are 1,500. Yeah, when you multiply 5 times 3 is 15, then you add these 2 zeros. That is 1,500 MBs. So in the long run, you see how expensive this thing is. So it means if you buy 500 shillings, data for 500 shillings in a day, every day, in a month you'll end up spending 15,000. But on this 15,000, how many MBs are you getting? You are getting 1,500 MBs. For those who don't know this is 1 GB is 1,000 MBs. So it means this is 1.5 GB. This is 1.5 GB. So this thing is it looks cheap when you're buying during the day, but it is very expensive. Now when we do it, like if you are buying, for those who are buying for 1,000, it is even more expensive. Let's try for 1,000. If you are buying for 1,000, data for 1,000 every day, these companies are going to give you 100 MBs. 1,000 shillings are going to give you 100 MBs. Now this 100 MBs, let's take, if you are buying for 30 days, it will be 30 times 1,000. 30 times 1,000, that is 30,000. That means you are spending 30,000 every month. You are spending 30,000 if you are buying 1,000 data every day. So if you are spending 30,000, and how many MBs are you going to get times 30? 100 MBs times 30, that is 3,000 MBs. 3,000 MBs, for those who don't know, it is 3 GB. Because 1 GB we are estimating it to be 1,000 MBs, but it's actually 1,024, but let's estimate it as 1,000. So it means you are buying at 30,000. If you are buying data of 1,000 every day at 30,000, you are buying 3 GB at 30,000. Are you seeing how expensive this thing is? Now let me show you how cheap Lyca is. So when I was doing this, I saw this was expensive, so the option I took, before knowing Lyca, I used to buy data for 15,000, and I buy freedom bundles. Those data that don't expire. They used to give me 4 GB at 15,000. So you can see that I was trying to calculate that 15,000 is 4 GB. Here 15 you are getting 1.5 GB, but here 15 I'm getting 4 GB, which used not to be bad, but it used to only take me like 2 weeks to finish this 4 GB when I'm not downloading, I'm not watching YouTube videos. But now I got freedom with this LYCAMOBILE I'm talking about. So how did I get the freedom? You see that at 15,000, LYCAMOBILE is going to give me, at 15,000 they give you 20 GB 15,000 they are going to give me 20 GB, and I saw this was a life-changing opportunity because at 15,000 I used to get 4 GB, but now at 15,000 I can get 20 GB. You can see how cheap this data is. Now for this person who is buying 1,000 every day, at 30,000 is getting 3 GB. LYCAMOBILE gives you at 30,000. LYCAMOBILE gives you 50 GB. I think you can see how cheap these things are. So in this, don't end up the video because I'm going to show you how you can really buy this data from any line. So if you want to check how you can get to prove what I was saying, you'd come to, like with this phone I'm having an MTN line, you dial star on your MTN line, and you dial that. Let's see what it will show you. I want to show you how you can buy these bundles or airtime from your MTN line if in case you have bought the line. So you come to number 6, option 6. Option 6 is saying, what is option 6? Option 6 is saying airtime and bundles. You come to option 6. So when you come to option 6, let's see what it will show us. It will show us buy airtime or buy internet bundles. I want to show you internet bundles so that you can see that what I'm talking about is really true. So you come to LYCAMOBILE, which is option 3. After you have bought your line, option 3. When you come to that, you put in your LYCA number. Let me just put in any number so that you can see. My main aim is just to see. My main aim is for you to see the data bundles I was talking about. So let's go to monthly bundles because that's what I was talking about. Monthly. Now we have this. This is the first one. You are seeing UG Giga 100 GB at 50,000. Then there is a UG Super 20 GB at 15,000. Then there is UG Mega. This is my favorite. Sometimes I use it, but for in a month that I want to upload a lot of videos, I buy this one. That is UG Mega 50,000 at 50 GB at 30,000. I think you can see it by yourself. So when you have an MTN line or Airtel line, just dial star 252 hash. You go to option 6 and you follow up these data bundles that I was talking about. So now that you have seen that this is the cheapest data bundle we have in the country, we have some limitations with this line. Some people are going to tell you the network is poor, or this thing is not working. I'm going to explain to you all that so that you don't buy it when you don't have these things. So the line, some people are selling it at 20, some people are selling it at 25. If you're watching this video and you want it, you just call me on my number 0780992590. I'm going to give you this SIM card at 20,000. But now, this SIM card you are seeing here, when you buy it, it comes with 5 GB free. That's why they are saying free data. That 5 GB free is 1 month. So it means for 1 month, you just use 5 GB free. But don't buy this data, this SIM card if you don't have the following requirement. Now, the one requirement that I've seen very many complain about, but I've not seen it well, is what we call this. This is the 4G. It is 4G Lite. So this SIM card works with, it is compatible with only 4G network. If you have a line or a SIM that is not 4G, your SIM is not 4G, I advise you should not first upgrade your phone to become a 4G phone so that you buy. But if you have a 4G phone and your area, because if in your area you have a 4G network and you use 4G, you are buying data expensively. This is the line that you should be using. It is having the cheapest data bundle. So you come and buy this line and you enjoy the cheapest data bundle. So I promise to tell you how you can make money with this line. You yourself, how can you make money with this company? So let me first open my phone here and show you how you can make money with this. So when you have some small investment, they'll share for you an app like this one. You become an agent. So it will do an investment of around 300,000. They share for you. This is the app. This is the app that makes you to become an agent. So you'll be selling these SIM cards. So this SIM card, that's the price I've been telling you, 20 or 25 on the market. So for you, if you're an agent, you'll be buying them from distributors. When you buy these lines from distributors, they give them to you and you sell them. So you can invest in around 300,000 and you become a LYCAMOBILE agent, and then you try to enjoy one of the cheapest data network in the country. Save your money by using this line. Don't be cheated. I've been Jibril. Subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be giving you a lot. I'm going to be telling you how you